Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd do a quick video just showing you my ink storage. This is on a different camera, so just go with it because it's kind of behind where I have my camera set up. So yeah, this is what you normally see. Woo! Anyway, so I have these, oh, I'll try not to get in the actual I have these like container things that I got from Lasersmith in the UK, and they are so good. I still need to glue them together and actually paint them, but if I move them carefully they don't fall apart, so that's great. I do have, I think I showed this before on my channel, but I'm still using them. I actually store, I have another one here, and I store my Stampin' Up! Ink in these ones. They have it for different inks as well. I'm storing my Stampin' Up! Inks in here in their colour families. And then that last one, well, this one has in colours from ages ago. And then this one is the, like my go-to inks that I use all the time, that you guys have probably seen a million times. So, and then at the top, again, try not to get too much in the way of everything else. These ones again, with also from Lasersmith, again ages ago. They were meant for sort of two, storing two in each compartment of the like distress inks, but I actually get 3 in there, so I make it work. So this will probably fit. I think there's already 60, I think it's 72 I can get in there. So Tim, if you come out with more than 12 of the new colours that you are at the moment, I won't have space for them. So but all my oxides are that side, and the distress inks that I do have are on this side of my workstation. So that's my ink and my camera setup while we're there. And then I have a couple of bits, I may as well show you the rest of the desk. I have a couple of things on my desk that I go to, so there's just some adhesive and my distress sprayer, a couple of mugs and things that I just chuck things in. All the goodies from from Somerset Stamp in their kits, they always put goodies in there, so they just land up in there. My Gemini, that's actually like a wax melt, is that what you call it? And then while I'm here, I will attempt to do this without getting too much other stuff in the frame. This is also how I store my Copic markers or my alcohol markers. So there's Copics at the top here, ink colour families, and then there's these are a mixture of Sharpies and big markers, so that 3 times fast. And then there's some space there, which I don't know if I'm going to separate things out or try the Nouveau alcohol markers, because they seem to have changed a few like things on there, so I don't know whether I'll go back to trying that. And then my Big Shot just sits next to me. So that is my setup when I'm filming. That is my desk. And one more thing which I will attempt to do, I have one of these, a couple of the Tim Holtz mini, what are they called? Mini ink tray things. And I actually have my Lawn Fawn ink in there, so it just stands up nicely there. The ink hasn't like leaked out or anything, so far so good. But we'll see. And I think that is it for ink. And yes, there is a fan there. I'm at that age where I need a fan. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and I will see you in the next one.